Hello guys, and welcome to electronics tutorials. Today's lesson is about using source transformation to find the current in this resistor, 10 ohm resistor. As you can see, our circuit, we can transform this part here, and also this part here to a current source, So here we let's transform this voltage source into a current source. You can see I equals to 12 over 2, these two resistor, which is 6 ampere, and you can see when we transform the 2 volt to a current source using this resistor, 4 ohm resistor, you can see that you get 8 ampere. And now, since now we have our new resource, our new sources, we can draw our new circuit. So this will be our new circuit. This arrow here is going up since our voltage is positive and negative, and now this arrow goes down. 8 ampere. This is 2 ohms. This is 4 ohms. It's 10 ohms. It's 10 ohms there. Now current go in this direction, and this is 6 ampere. So now you can see that our voltage, our current source, they're going to end up, but now they go in opposite direction. Therefore this will be 8 minus 6, and it will give you 2. So our new source here, our current source, will be 8 minus 6, since now they are going in opposite direction. And we can see that this resistor, our 2 ohm resistor, is in parallel with 4 ohm resistor. So you can find their combination: 2 times 4, 2 plus 4, which is 4 over 3. I advise you guys to take it as a fraction, because this is not yet our final answer. So take it as a fraction so that you can get the accurate answer at the end. So now our new circuit, and this is 10 ohms, and this is 4 over 3 ohms. And now since the 8 is greater than 6, so therefore this takes the 8 ampere direction. So therefore this is 2 ampere. And now since we are looking for this current over here, we can just transform this current source to a voltage source. So this is going to give us V equals to, this is 2 times our resistor there, which is put this right here. Which is 8 over 3 volt, and then our new circuit will be like this. this will be positive, negative there. And this is 8 over 3 volt, and this is 4 over 3 ohms, and this is 10 ohms. And our current go in this direction. Go in this direction. You can use KVL. You can use KVL to find the current over here. So this will be 8 over 3 minus 4 over 3 I minus 10 I equals to 0. And now, since you can see they have the same current, because of current in a series circuit is always the same, so you can add them. This will give you, yes, 30 minus 34 over 3I equals to 0. I equals to 8 over 3, and you can see that our I equals to 8 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 34, and now I equals to, when you punch it in a calculator, you will get 0.235 ampere. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time.